Ano topic?
Kumanta po and play the piano as well.
At the same time, she accompanied herself by playing piano.
Yes.
Dapat very few artists can do that both. Like, o konti lang lahat, kung hindi siya lang marunong kumanta, marunong siya mag-piano. Aside from basic talent, ano pa yung pwede mo gawin? What other talents you have? Meron pa ba? Meron pa pag-ipupunan?
Actually, I do write songs. I write poems and I'm actually writing on my current book.
Wow, your current book.
Do you have plans of making it published in the national, for national readership? Ganon? Mabasa siya?
Hopefully po, but not yet. Di ba po gusto ngayon yung sa Wattpad? Ganyan. So, I'm planning on magsigit ang Wattpad.
So mostly, sa naman kasi sinusulat mo libro, ano ang naging topics mo?
Anong topic niya sa libro mo? Balak niyang ipublish.
So actually po, syempre, mas patok si mga teens yung love story, gano'n. So, that's story po.
Anong conflict ng love story mo ngayon? Ano yung kwento niya? Yung pinakabuod niya?
Parang ano po, yung story po niya is about a girl na transferring from a school. Parang she's dating a gangster but in a different way.
Wala bang bullying dahil student pa siya?
Opo, binubully.
Mayroon. That's so
Anyways,
exciting.
that was interesting, candidate number one. Come on, first, palakpakan po natin. Candidate number one.